Hello, everyone. Welcome to yet another cryptocurrency news. Today, I'll be starting off with the price. Okay, yesterday Bitcoin got to about 10,009, 10,008, 10,009, and as of the time of doing this video, it has dropped to 10,003. Wow! Guess what happened there? A lot of people cashed out on their profit with that smooth run on the price. Okay, so and if you have one Bitcoin and above, you definitely enjoy the increase in value because Bitcoin went from 9,000 something in the space of 1 week to 10,008, 10,009. Okay, so who want to cash out? So that's where you see the price across all board. Even Ethereum fell from 1,078, 1,080 down to 169. So it's red across the top six cryptocurrencies. Okay, top six cryptocurrencies with market base. Okay, so having said that, let's just go to the news. The Swiss National Bank says stablecoins could hamper policy. Well, that's true. Okay, that's true because what it does is that it ignores or removes the power of monetary policy. Okay, but more details about it, I can see that the Swiss National Bank President Jordan says stablecoins pegged to foreign currencies could hamper Switzerland's monetary policy. Okay, so you have stable coins pegged to the US dollar, some pegged to gold, and the rest of them. So when they are being used within another country's economy, it tends to affect the monetary policy of that economy. Now, like I said, Bitcoin fails to break $11,000 again, drops $400 in 1 hour. Wow. Okay, so let's see. A lot of people are probably going to buy. A lot of people are probably going to buy now that the price dropped, or maybe it's going to drop further. But what I know for sure is that if it fails to break 11,000 again, a lot of people are going to sell, and we're probably going to see it down to 9,000, or maybe down to 8,000. No one can tell. Okay, so we also have a blockchain startup, Radar raises 2.3 million from NASPA and blockchain.com. Okay. You also have Ethereum Istanbul hard fork implementation delayed to early October. Okay. So the Ethereum Foundation announced that they are pushing back Ethereum's testnet activation of the Istanbul hard fork to early October. All right. Okay, so another interesting one. Fed share says agency monitoring crypto, but not developing its own. So the chairman of the U.S. Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, says that the Fed is monitoring digital currencies carefully, but not working on its own. So here you have it. The U.S. Federal Reserve is monitoring digital currencies, but do not plan on developing their own. Okay, so now back to social media. Facebook intended to release its own Libra, going to do so next year. Might take a bit longer in next year because they need to get approval and they're still doing their developing the network. So, but you have Telegram. Okay, Telegram releasing its own cryptocurrency called Ton. Ton is short for Telegram Open Network. Okay, that's what it means. Telegram Open Network. So they have officially released the testnet explorer and node software. So what this means is it's open for testing. Okay, it's open for testing. So a lot of people are probably going to test it, test the explorer and also the node software. Okay, you can see here, encrypted instant messaging service, Telegram officially released its Ton testnet explorer and node software with its gram token due in 2 months. So probably by November or December, probably hear more updates on this. So pay attention. Maltese financial regulator will actively monitor cryptocurrency firm. Now, okay, Malta is one of the country who embraced cryptocurrency. Okay, you can mine there. The policies there are friendly in Malta. So right now, their financial service authority say that in its strategic plan that it will actively monitor crypto firms to prevent crypto-related crimes. So most companies are heading to Malta to open their offices or have a branch there. So um, they are actively monitoring those cryptocurrency firms because that's one thing with regulation. If you have a positive regulation, you allow things to flow, but you have to monitor. Okay, I don't know what the US is doing. I don't know what the problem is with Facebook, but hey, we'll see. So, talking about Facebook, you can also see that they have hired a new lobbyist for Libra stablecoin project. Social media giant Facebook hired two more lobbyists to aid the release of the forthcoming Libra stablecoin following regulatory pushback. One thing I know for sure is that Facebook Libra will definitely get released. Look, it's just like when you know you have a product that you believe in and you have the financial muscle to push it through. Okay, that's what Facebook is doing. Yes, it's not just Facebook. Facebook just owns 1%, stake in the Libra Association, but they are the ones that has been targeted by regulators. Okay, and if so, they have to do what they need to do so that they can keep encouraging more people, more companies, more organizations to join the Libra Association. So they have hired two more lobbyists to aid the release of its forthcoming Libra stablecoin from regulatory pushback. You also have Turkish Takash Bank announces blockchain platform for gold trading. That's interesting. So Turkey's Istanbul Clearing Settlement and Custody Bank announced it has completed its blockchain-based platform for transferring physical gold. That's interesting because recently Paxos released their own Pax-backed gold, and it has to do with golds in the London. Okay, London bullions. Okay, so now you have Turkey announcing a blockchain platform for gold trading. Now, for them to do this, it has to mean trading of physical goods. But as you can see here, it's for transferring of physical goods. Okay, so you see, Shell and Sinochem discuss blockchain platform for crude oil. So you see, the oil industry, especially the oil industry, has to do with drilling the oil and producing the oil, are discussing blockchain platform for crude oil. You also have Galaxy Digital gains approval to underwrite public offerings. So crypto merchant bank Galaxy Digital has gained FINRA approval to underwrite public offerings of securities. So this crypto merchant bank has been approved to be able to underwrite securities, meaning people can through them issue shares or stocks or coins, okay, or tokens. Now you know what you mean, initial coin, or this your initial coin offer, okay. So then also there's T0 CEO issues letter to investors and addresses Patrick Bryan's resignation. Okay, they also have the backed warehouse launches deposit and withdrawals as planned. So I can see bank announced that its qualified custodian backed warehouse launched Bitcoin deposits and withdrawals as planned. Then you also have a mystery 94,000 BTC transaction because richest non-exchange address. Wow. Following the massive $1 billion Bitcoin transaction today, the recipient wallet became the fifth richest Bitcoin address. So there's a Bitcoin address out there, not on exchanges, that received 94,000 Bitcoin transaction. Wow, that's a massive $1 billion Bitcoin transaction. So that particular wallet address is the richest, the fifth richest Bitcoin address, and it's not an exchange wallet address. Interesting. Interesting. So JP Morgan warns stablecoins like Libra at risk of system gridlock. They say Libra could face gridlock in periods of network stress, and that this could have serious macroeconomic consequences. What they're trying to say in essence is that you know that Facebook runs on network, and you all know that when it comes to network, it's not 100% perfect, because there are periods things go offline and the rest of them. So the JP Morgan analyst says that in periods like that, it's going to cause serious macroeconomic consequences. One thing I know for sure is that Facebook is doing everything they have. It's just that US is too slow on 5G. Okay, the next level of the internet is 5G. It's going to do a lot of things, self-driving cars, stable network across platforms, especially now that everything is moving towards digital. The last thing you need is a glitch in the network and people seeing zero balance, or showing zero balance and next minute showing their balance, stuff like that. Okay, so anyway, let's move on. Early tester finds both Binance future platforms currently unstable. Binance is doing a lot of development. Okay, so they have a lot of money to spare, and now they are trying a lot of things. And at the moment, currently those platforms are unstable. Then Bitcoin hits record inverse correlation to Chinese yuan in past week. Okay. Then also SIS International Research opens blockchain consulting division. American global market research firm SIS International Research has set up a blockchain consulting division called SIS Blockchain. So I guess they are into consulting for blockchain. So guys, there you have it. These are the updates for 6th September 2019. So guys, I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to my channel, give us a thumbs up if you find value in our content, and to then take care. Bye for now.